Hi, and welcome to my journey with tech. On today's episode, I will be removing the keyboard and assembling it back again. So I've got my anti-static wristband and my anti-static mat. This will help me to be grounded because obviously my body generates electricity. By strapping this on, it sort of grounds me, and it means that no electricity or static will damage the laptop. By faffing around with this strap. And there you go, fasten it in place. Now, first thing I need to do is remove the battery pack. Put it into the compartment. Now, I need to slide the keyboard. Obviously, each laptop is different, so how you remove the keyboard is different. With the Lenovo Thinkpad, which I'm using, there's some slots. So I'm going to put this flathead screwdriver and put it into the slot and slide it to reveal the screws, which help me to unfasten it, which will then later help me to remove it. I don't know why I did it that way, but hey, it worked. Anyway, so there are 6 screws. So you just keep turning it until you hit the click. Better get there we go. Now let's remove the seal. Now the keyboard is a separate entity and obviously connects into the motherboard. Got some extra straps that are put there into a slot within the motherboard, and there's some little clips that fasten it down to attach it in place. So in order to remove it, I need to pull my flathead screw, flip open, which then releases, and I can remove it. There's 2 of them. One is one of the straps is large, and the other one is quite small. And the large one goes first. Go. It's the first one. Second one. There you go. The keyboard has been removed. Now the small one goes first this time, and the large one goes last. There we go, fasten in place. Put the seal in place. And then the next bit is to screw it. Screw the screw. I don't know if you can hear, but the neighbour's moving around up there, so if you hear a bit of noise, that's what it is. That's what happens when you live in a block of flats. You hear the music, the sound of the flats. Ooh. So obviously one thing to spot is that there's some prongs that fit the keyboard into the body of the laptop. Obviously, as you know, because it's a separate entity. And so once you do it, you need to press down as you're sliding it back, because the prongs can go up and it won't connect and it looks odd. So you need to press down as you're sliding so it fits in place, which is what I'm going to be doing. Go. the last bit is to put the battery pack. There we go. So that's it. So I just showed you how to remove the keyboard and assemble it back again. And thank you for watching my journey with tech. See you soon.